How to plan a vacation without breaking the bank. Have you ever found yourself scrolling through Instagram, dreaming of sunsets in Bali, only to slam back to reality when you check your bank balance? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you there's a way to explore your dream destinations without turning your wallet into a ghost town? Stick with me because, by the end of this video, you'll have a foolproof plan to travel smart, save big, and make memories that last a lifetime. But first, quick question, if you had to choose between eating instant noodles for a month or postponing your dream vacation, which would you pick? Don't worry, by the end, you won't have to choose either. Point 1. Set a realistic budget. Let's start with the cornerstone of any cost-efficient vacation, setting a budget. It sounds boring, but it's like the GPS for your trip. Without it, you're lost. Here's how to do it. A. Break it down. List categories like transport, accommodation, food, and experiences. Allocate an amount to each. Though, factor in surprises, always keep a 10-15% buffer. Trust me, those unexpected expenses love to show up uninvited. Picture this, you were at a street market in Thailand and you found the perfect souvenir. But when you swipe, your card declined. Don't let this happen to you. Budget now so you can spend guilt-free later. And hey, if math isn't your thing, just think of budgeting as a game. Every dollar or rupee you save gets you one step closer to your destination. Who doesn't love winning? But how do you make sure you don't overspend once you've set your budget? That's coming up next. Point 2. Choose cost-effective destinations. Not all destinations are created equal, some are budget-friendly paradises, while others will drain your savings faster than you can say, exchange rate. Here's the secret. A. Off-season travel. Save big by avoiding peak tourist months. Though, exchange rates matter, choose destinations where your currency stretches further. Teen. Hidden gems. Skip the overly touristy spots and go for lesser known but equally stunning places. Imagine sipping coffee at a quaint cafe in Vietnam or hiking in the lush hills of Himachal Pradesh, all for a fraction of what you'd spend in Paris or Switzerland. Feels good, right? Also, let's face it, flexing your unique, offbeat travel pics is way cooler than posting yet another Eiffel Tower shot. Am I right? Okay, you've chosen a destination. But how do you score dirt cheap flights and accommodations? Keep watching. Point 3. Book smart flights or stays. Now, let's talk logistics, getting there and staying there. Booking smart is where the real magic happens. A. Flight hacks. Use incognito mode, set fare alerts, and book midweek for the best prices. Though, accommodation, consider budget-friendly options like hostels, Airbs, or even house swapping. Teen. Bundle deals. Package deals for flights and hotels can sometimes save you a fortune. Here's the kicker, prices change faster than you can say, book it. If you find a great deal, grab it before it's gone. Side note, if you think sleeping in an airport is an adventure, you clearly haven't tried negotiating a better deal on your stay. It's way more fun. Your travel and stay are set, but what about saving on food, activities, and shopping? Let's dive in. Point 4. Save on food, activities, and souvenirs. Here's where the real savings happen, living like a local. A. Food. Skip fancy restaurants. Eat where the locals eat, it's cheaper and tastier. Though, activities. Look for free walking tours, public events, or discounted attraction tickets. Teen. Souvenirs. Bargain, but do it with a smile. And always check local markets for unique finds. Imagine indulging in authentic street food in Delhi or dancing at a free samba event in Rio, all while sticking to your budget. Priceless, right? And hey, the best souvenirs aren't things, they're stories. Unless, of course, you find a snow globe that doubles as a piggy bank. Then it's a win-win. But what if something goes wrong during your trip? Don't worry, I've got you covered in the next section. Point 5. Emergency preparedness. Nobody plans for emergencies, but you'd be surprised how much peace of mind you get by being prepared. A. Travel insurance. Yes, it's an extra cost, but it's worth it. Though, emergency fund, carry a small stash of cash in case of card issues. Teen. Contacts. Keep a list of local embassies, hospitals, and emergency numbers. Imagine being stranded in a foreign country without help. Scary, right? Don't let that happen. A little planning goes a long way. And no, your mom doesn't count as your emergency contact unless she's coming with you. Sorry, mom. Okay, now you're prepared. But how do you make sure this budget vacation doesn't feel cheap? That's next. Point 6. Maximize the experience. Travel isn't about how much you spend, it's about how much you experience. Here's how to make every penny count. A. Plan ahead. Research your itinerary but leave room for spontaneity. Though, document the journey. Journaling or vlogging makes every moment memorable. Teen. Connect with locals. They'll show you hidden gems that no guidebook can. Imagine coming home with stories of adventures most tourists miss, like a secret waterfall or a homemade meal with a local family. Now that's priceless. And remember, the best experiences often come free. Except skydiving, that's always pricey. Now you know how to plan a vacation without breaking the bank. It's time to stop dreaming and start doing. So, where are you headed next? Share your dream destination in the comments below, and let's make it happen together. And hey, if you found value in this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because trust me, this is just the beginning of your journey to living smart and traveling better. Travel is the only thing you buy that makes you richer.